today we are going to learn adaptation in plants. So you may ask, what is the meaning of adaptation? So adaptation is like a plant. Adaptation in plants we are going to learn. So adaptation is like if the plant is not getting proper nutrition or water or sunlight for the day, so it like adapts itself, change itself, totally change. Okay, and in its habitat also it can change. Now you ask, what is the meaning of habitat? So habitat is like where the plant grows, its region, what sufficient water it's getting. That's the meaning of habitat. So let's get an example that in the pine tree, it's like in the winter where snow is there, pine trees grow. So if we bring pine tree to another region, like we bring it up pine trees in the hot region, they will not grow. They will die because that's not sufficient to that region, means where they grow. So like this is habitat. So now let's start. So now there are like modifications in plants. So what are modifications? So modification like the parts of them. So there are three types of modification: stem modification, root modification, and leaf modification. Let's start with stem modification. For stem modification, the good example is a potato tree. Let's draw here one. Potato tree grows like this. And a flower here. And then here's the root. It doesn't have. It doesn't potatoes down here. This is a potato plant. So why is it stem modification? Because it's food. Which part we eat is down, but on the stem is nothing. Just the stem is here. Okay, so it's called stem modification. Let's write S for stem and M for modification. Stem modification. Then let's go to leaf modification. Leaf modification, good example is like the onions. They grow above the soil and there are like leaves which are continuously. Like this is it. If we look at the imaginations, it's like it. So these leaves, it makes like house cabbage. If we peel one layer of leaf, one layer there, then it's that middle part is dead. So like this is with the onion. These leaves, they are removing like this, and in the middle, over here, you see here, is the stem, a small stem of it. So it's called the leaf modification. This is leaf modification. Then what are roots? Yes, now we are remaining with root modification. So root modification is the best example is mangrove trees. They are not found in like most India. They may found mangrove trees. They are like in little water. Let's do some water here. So and here is soil. In every water layer there is a soil down here. This part is of the forest where this grows. So here's water. Over here this is water. This is land, little bit of soil inside the water. And these trees, they are roots. I got to say both in water. It is little bit of roots are, and from upper side also they are like this. And here's like a this big tree. Like this it is. And these roots are half in the water and half on the land, means up in the air. So in this air roots, what they do, they means take the air from the everywhere surrounding, and then this water, it has salt, right? Salty water. This is the salt. So this air and this salt makes it strong, so that it can space the salt in its water and may grow. And this, if there is one tree, if there is one tree, and soon there will be a network of trees, long, big trees. Then this is the root modification. Let's write R and root modification. Now we are finished with this root modification, adaptation, and habitat. So this is it. But now let's go with a fun fact. There's one tree, okay, that plant. It's called the Venus flytrap. It looks like this. Let's draw more like this, and like this. Throw it. Yes, this is a Venus flytrap with thrown here because there are lots of Venus flytrap. This side, go in the middle. This is Venus flytrap, and it doesn't mean make it food. Every plant make it food with some ingredients, but this plant eats what, you know? Insect. That's so big. Means it eats insects, which you don't like. This plant eats it. Insects are eaten. So you say, how does it eat? These flap like wings, you may see these, and this one there are two. Okay, like this the hand closed. There are two. So what is happening? Let's draw one small here. This is one. And this one. When the insect goes near it, it directly closes like we are stitching it. These thorns are there, so they close. There is a mixed close step, I think. Okay, and then the insect is in here. It's digesting it. So how it doesn't seem, but this inside here, insect is right. And this is the Venus flytrap. So how does it? For that we are going to make an experiment. Not a big experiment. For that you just need anything. I think you can take a pen's cap. I have taken a pen's cap and a book. So this is Venus flytrap. These are its wings. Its wings. See? Like this. It's like Venus flytrap. Then the insect was in. When the insect comes near it, it's going in and then it just closes. Like this. Let's look at it. See, my hand is an insect. It's going near it and it suddenly closes. If the insect is trapped inside it and then it starts digesting. There's one more tree or plant. It's called the pitcher plant, which eats insect, but it's another way. It's like creepers, you may say, like this, and here. Like this. So like this it is. Like this. So what happens when the insect is going near? Like this is an insect like this. When it goes near, it generally closes its cap. It's like a pitcher plant. Here's the holder in this plant. It suddenly closes it and traps the inside it. So how is it works, you say? Now we'll take our book and a pencil, but pen's cap, and we did like this with the Venus flytrap. But for the pitcher plant, we are going to do it like this upside book. And what happens? See or something like this one, because it's coming with a lot of things like this. See, and this down part over here is this part, pitcher, where the insect goes, and this is the upper cap, you may say. So what happens? The insect is coming in and it goes and then it closes, trapping the inside, forcing it to go in. So you may say these two plants, this one and the Venus flytrap, are so dangerous. Still insect go near them? I don't know the Venus flytrap, but the pitcher plant sends a smell that attracts insect to it. So it's sending some smell. And here's an insect which is just going by. Let's draw some eyes and little eye. See, this insect is going and it catches that smell. Let's do the network sign. Well, it's getting its smell. So that it doesn't goes here and it's in. So, and see, 50%, there are 50% parts of the 50% strong smell is scented by the pitcher plant, and 2% little only cell, 2% is by the Venus flytrap. So now let's revise it. Adaptation in plants. Adaptation is like where the plant grows, it doesn't have any nutrition, proper water, proper sunlight by the way. And then habitat. Its habitat is what to say? Okay, I've said it. Habitat is a place where it grows like pine trees and that. And then this is where and not the video is going to not to be end. There's one more fact. The cactus. It's oh yes, let's draw the cactus here. The cactus. This is like it seems like hello. Like this is the one. See, like this is a cactus. There's spines on it. Where do cactus grow? You know, in deserts, mountainy deserts around it, on sand, growing nearby. No plant of tree. It rains like a lot of years. It rains. It rains. Rain is not coming in the desert long. It comes like in 1 year or 1 month. You say, but rain doesn't come. If one time rain comes, let's see. Today is the day, and today is raining. Raining. Okay. And then the rain goes. Rain is going to go on over it. It can't be continuous. Then the cactus can't maybe what to say. It can't stay there because habitat will be wetty. So then its rain is gone. Now say rain is gone, and then the water which is here. The cactus has a fleshy stem. Fleshy like a splash. Oh, the birds are making a lot of noise. It's a fleshy stem. Which soaks water like a sponge. How we put it out? It soaks all the water. Like this is with the cactus. It soaks all the water, this fleshy stem, and then it stays there to use when it's necessary. Like this is a cactus one. Now we are ending with a video. So see, this much is it. We talked about habitats and everything we talked. And the Venus flytrap, picture plant, cactus. We talked on a lot. So in the last video of Roman, I gave you homework. You have to do it now. So in that only book, you do the homework. See what you do. You draw some fun imaginary pictures. You draw color then, write the information, and like what to say. Picture plant as this. Draw the means the picture plant, and do it. And not one more. You are going to do it two. One homework is very easy. Now the second homework is it's the easiest. You just need to like the video, subscribe my channel. Okay, so we have another video. So meet you in the next. Bye bye. Bye.